Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question for chemistry 2018. Question number 2. If 1 liter of 2.2 molar sulfuric acid is poured into a bucket containing 10 liters of water and the resulting solution mixed thoroughly, the resulting sulfuric acid concentration will be A. 2.2 m, B. 1.1 m, C. 0.22 m, D. 0.11 m. Now, whenever you see a problem that concerns solution formation, solute inside a solvent, whenever it involves solution formation, the general formula that is used is Ca Va, that's concentration of A, that is one of the components, times its volume, all over concentration of the other one times its volume, equal to number of moles of the first one all over number of mole of the second one. So this is the formula that you use whenever you see similar calculation to this. Now, what is our Ca in this case? Ca is the concentration of the sulfuric acid and it's given as 2.2 mole. Now, what is Va in this case? We are taking the acid as A, so volume of the acid in this case is 1 liter. Now, what is Cb, which is the resulting concentration when it is thoroughly mixed, which we don't actually know. Now, what is Vb, which is volume of the water this time around, which we are given as 10 liters, so we have 10 liters. Now, what is the number of moles involved? If you write the chemical equation, you will find out that Na is 1 and Mb is also 1. So having this, if you fix this in this equation, Ca we already know is 2.2, so we have 2.2 times Va is what? 1, all over Cb is what? Cb we don't know, so we still write Cb times Vb is what? 10, equal to 1 over 1, which is 1. So if you make Cb the subject of the formula, we have Cb equal to, if you cross multiply, you have 2.2 times 1 times 1 all over 10. So this will give us 2.2 over 10, which is 0.22 m. So that is the value of our Cb, and that is C is the right option, 0.22 m. So the most important thing that you need to go away with in this very solution is that once you have something that involves mixing sulfuric acid being poured into water, checking the concentration, you need to use this formula. This is the general formula for calculation. So all this will be given to you. If you want to get this, you can simply write the equation of the reaction so that you see the number of moles. So if you have A reacting with B to form C plus D, so you see that the number Na here is 1, because if it is 1, it's not written. And Nb, this Nb here is also 1, but if you have 2 here, then this thing has to be 1 over 2. If you have 3 here, then it will now be 3 over 2. So it depends on what is in front of this molecule that you call your Na and Mb. So that's how you locate your Na and Mb. So that is it for this. Thank you.